Unruly, them dead. You know, Popcaan, you know. Well, people, right now, Mr. Popcaan trimming me here. You get what me I say? The man cut off him here, people. You get me I say? Everybody don't know say Popcaan coming at the music scene, people. He must sport him here. Him always grow him here. Where them plait it up, where them left it afro, where them just do some look a big plot, where them key it or anything. Popcaan always have him here. Well, people, right now, Popcaan has cut his hair. The man cut and trim, because Popcaan wasn't a Rasta, you know. If you notice, Popcaan never lock him ear yet, people. You understand? So the man trim right now, people. And in the end, many people say, what could I really cause Popcaan for trim? What really make it unruly trimming at them time? Yeah? Well, people, the full reason why Popcaan trim is, I understand after source reach out to NEWLINK. Popcaan say him just want to change everything. Him want to change with everything. So right now, as I say, him want Not Nice fall out and Jaffras and all of them. The man and Jabin, him want saying just want to change everything. Meaning him dep on a new level. And remember, Popcaan is the artist always tell about new level. So him want to show you him dep on a new level and this is a new image towards him. You get what me I say? And then at the end, people, what am I say? When me look into it, I say, yet, that's part of it, but differently, it's a marketing strategy as well. You know what I mean? Because this is gonna be something where people are gonna talk about what Popcaan. It's curious, you know what I mean? Because top entertainer like Popcaan, you know, always a sporting ear and everything. People can say, what unruly chimp say, man? Unruly are gonna be the talk or everything right now. You know what I mean? Because after recent days, we say unruly put out even a music video and they never connect like that. They don't hit like that, people. We see him put out recent songs and they don't hit like that. May I be honest? You know what I mean? So from the other day, Popcaan don't find a hit song, which Popcaan always have big song where always keep on, because Family is one of the biggest song in recent years out of Jamaica, so that can't steal people, you know what I mean? But from recent levels, you still don't find that banger hit from recent months, come on. So at the end, Popcaan come with something different, you understand? And you can look for there's a new track with Popcaan and Drake coming out also very soon. You get what me I say? So whole heap a new thing in the line, and I'm telling you, this cutting your thing meaning something different for Popcaan. The man say more new thing around him, new image, but differently still, people, he won't change Quada around him because Quada well bad, he's his friend, and Quada take Popcaan for him say him God. You get me? I say him say him is God. So you know what that's supposed to be. You get me? I say, but right now, the man cut him here and it's curious. Hey, it's the talk of the town right now. So you don't know, people, respect Popcaan or rate Popcaan because a youth who, you know what I mean, him do a lot for get a youth. To be honest, you know, up in a center mass when come from the people, I'm telling you this, Popcaan buy more than 60 bikes for youth them around him, you know what I mean? Enough people are going to say, yo, him buy right bike for kill the youth, them for kill out themselves. But honestly, at least him do something on him. He's a youth who take care of the school where him a come from and something. Him do a lot. So this is a real youth, people, and you will respect man. Once I say people are the real stuff, we are going to respect them and give them the rating. So right now, people, Popcaan. So people are going to say, yo, maybe my turn Christian now, you know what I mean? Popcaan are going in church and now Popcaan are going to get baptized and them something. They wish it can be that too. No. One day if you hear say Popcaan get baptized, Popcaan chim now, giving life to God, you know what I mean? Popcaan dip on a different level. It can be. So, you know what I mean? So we look forward and wonder and NEWLINK say, oh, Popcaan are going to get baptized. Alright, listen. It's out there. We are going to watch and see. So Popcaan going to get baptized. That's it out then? Okay. See, there can't be a whole heap of difference. So you don't know the thing of people. This is NEWLINK, man, from NEWLINK Production. And we say attack, and you don't know, enough love and enough respect. And if you don't subscribe, make sure you subscribe. No! And when you subscribe, please hit that notification bell icon and tap all notification. So as NEWLINK drop the video them, you will get them. Just tap on all. You know what I mean, people? Remember, follow us on IG, NEWLINK_Production Official. On Facebook, NEWLINK Production. Attack them. Attack. Peace out.